Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your profile on Element. So once you're logged into Element, the first thing you want to do is open your settings. And you can do this by clicking your profile picture, then selecting all settings. Once you're inside under the account section, this is where you can start customizing your profile. You can change your display name to whatever you want people to see instead of your username, which is great if you want something more personalized or easier to recognize. You can also upload a profile picture. Just click on the avatar or edit option. And from here, you can upload a file. Just simply choose an image from your device and upload it. This helps people quickly identify you in chats and rooms. Also, under appearance option, this is where you can change your theme, message layout, or even the font size. Under notification sections, this is where you can control what, well, basically notifies you or what notifs you receive. And under preferences, this is where you can also change the language. Now, after making changes, you want to make sure everything is saved and your updated profile will instantly show across your chats and rooms. And one quick tip, since Element focuses on privacy, you want to avoid sharing too much personal information unless you're comfortable with it, especially in public rooms. And basically, that's it. That's how you customize your profile on Element and make your account look exactly how you want. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.